Man, I love doing backflips. Grrr, me too, Blaze. Seg love doing backflips too. And I just love doing any stunts. Darington! I know, guys. We should have a backflip contest. That is a great idea, Stripes. Hey, Mr. Announcer, could you announce the contest for us?
Of course I can, Blaze. Today, best out of 3 backflips wins a super duper deluxe Axel City pizza and becomes the Pizza Backflip Champion.
I bet I can beat Blaze in a backflip contest. I know you can, Crusher. You can even beat him fair and square. Fair and square? Why would I want to beat him fair and square when I could cheat? Maybe because you've never ever won when you cheat? Aw, Pickle.
First up is Blaze.
Almost. This time I'm really gonna do a great backflip. What was that? All right, it's time to win this backflip competition. Hooray! Here I go. Wowza! Here I go. I did it! Time for the finale. Perfect! Grrr! Seg love to do backflips. Oh, Seg got the hang of it now. What was that? Third time's a charm? Hooray! Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Darington! First try. Here goes nothing. Almost. I know I can do it. Darington! Ta-da! Here comes the best one of all. How could I possibly lose? Why am I not winning? Ah, Crusher. Don't worry, I'm sure we'll all have problems doing backflips. See? I landed on my head. My wheels keep spinning. Here I go with a great backflip! Pickle! Ta-da! Wonder if I can even do a backflip. Perfect! Look at me! Aw, Pickle, I'm never gonna win this backflip contest. It's time to cheat. Aw, Crusher, what are you gonna do? I've got a new machine. Here it is, Pickle, my new super sticky tar machine. Oh, Crusher, why? Because I'm gonna win this backflip contest. Nobody will be able to do backflips but me if their tires are stuck in tar. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. They'll never know what's coming when they get stuck in this super sticky tar. Here I go. Oh no, what's going on? I can't move my tires. Oh no, me neither. Darington is stuck. Oh Oh no! Zeg can't move tires! It's like bouncy tires all over again! Really, Crusher? Oh no! I've got to find a way to get out of this tire and save my friends! I know! I'll use blazing speed! Hey everybody out there, say blazing speed! It worked! The tire's gone! Now if I just give my friends a push, I should be able to free them too. It worked! Grr! Oh, you did it, Blaze! You saved us all! You deserve the pizza trophy! Oh, guys, thanks! But we're all winners, and I'll share the pizza with each and every one of you. Even you, Crusher. See, I told you, Crusher! Hey, Cheesy Champs! Don't forget to like and subscribe to our awesome toy channel. Today's toys in our video are Blaze and the Monster Machine Monster Trucks. We have all 6, beginning with Blaze and Stripes, and of course Crusher and Pickle, and to complete the set, Zeg and Darington. Darington we already have. Alright, let's take a look at Blaze and his Monster Machine pals. We'll start off with Blaze. Blaze has got his fire flames on there. He's got red wheels and a lot of detail. And they really did a nice job on these. He's got his bucket seat. You could probably even put a Lego figure in there. Cool front face. And of course his jet blasters for blazing speed in the back. Really nice job. Then let's take a look at Stripes. He definitely looks like a tiger. He's probably one of my favorites. Cool front face. He's got his roll bar on there and yellow tires. And again, the tires move independently, so it's almost like shocks on the monster truck. Really helps when you're racing them. And his little antenna on the back. Really nice. Then, of course, we have Crusher. He is a semi-truck. He's got a lot of detail to him too. His graphics on the side. Really nice looking truck. They did a nice job on these. And they're die-cast metal, so they're going to last longer than regular plastic. They're closer to the Hot Wheels Monster Jam trucks. And they really did a nice job on these. Next, let's take a look at Pickle. He was the hardest to find. And he's also one of the nicest ones. Nice detail on the face on him as well. He's got his racing stripes. And even the bumps like a pickle. Green wheels. Rims, I should say. And he's a nice addition. Then, of course, Darington. We've had him for a while. He was out of the package. And he's taken a beating. He's got his helmet, his cape, blue stripes and yellow stars, and a big smile, ready to do some stunts. Tailpipes coming out of the sides. Both sides. Blue rims. Very cool. Then finally, Zeg. Zeg is a dinosaur. Triceratops, I would say. I don't know. He's got a tail. He's got his pointy snout in the front. Very shiny. A lot of detail on these. He's got bluish green rims. He's probably my favorite. Tail there. Very, very cool. Well, there they are, guys. The first set of 6 Blaze and the Monster Machines. Pretty cool. Hope they come out with more. Well, Cheesy Champs, if you like our videos, make sure to subscribe to our awesome toy channel. And as always, guys, be cheesy.